This is exciting. I think managed to build the easiest way to use Respira for WordPress, and that is in the form of a Claude Cowork plugin. Now, let's try. Can you confirm you are connected to Mihai.love via the Respira plugin? What Respira version is Mihai.love on? Can you give me some skill examples that you have that I could run on Mihai.love to improve the website, make it load faster, clean up unused plugins, improve the SEO? Show me what you could do. So the plugin is wired with the skills marketplace, so that means that all the skills are available directly in Claude Cowork. And this is what it recommends. I'm just gonna do a WordPress Site DNA for the purpose of this demo. The plugin for Claude Cowork has been deployed in a public repo on GitHub. Let me show it to you right here. In the Respira press organization on GitHub, the Cowork plugin is right here. It's very fresh. I'm just testing it myself. Seems to work. I can also see the progress up here. So now it's synthesizing the report. It's connected via Respira for WordPress. Beautiful. And it's using the WordPress Site DNA skill. So everything it does is quite transparent. Can complete. Solid foundation, strong performance, but there's a lot of dormant weight. The foundation, the site is also multi-site network. Core Web Vitals A grade. What's actually slowing you down? Plugin bloat is the headline. 47 plugins installed, 4 active. Database bloat from all plugin. SEO, this is your softest area. You have 4 SEO plugin installed and 0 active. Content hygiene. Media library, the easy 30% speed win. It knows that I have a plugin for image optimization, but it's inactive. Yeah, cool. So I could ask it to do any of this. But what I really want to see is, can you make the background of barber page blue, please? Just not to overcomplicate it. And ideally, I would also want to see. So now it's creating a snapshot. Look at the page structure to figure out the safest way to apply a blue background. Divi can carry that on the page itself or on each section. Right, it's loading the tools it needs for this to work. Make sure you show me what the page looks like when you are done. Can do this in. This is not edited in any way, it's recorded live, everything that you see. And it's not scripted, I'm doing it for the first time myself. Veiled in public all the way. So it says the edit has been applied. It didn't detect my hosting. The CSS is saved, but Divi 5 isn't rendering it. Let me peek at what's in the page heads to confirm whether the CSS is being outputted. Found it. My CSS is reaching the page, but body still have darker colors. Divi paints those at higher specificity. Let me push harder. Cool. So it tries several things. Title. Now, if you didn't watch the previous demos, this barber page was built from as a Divi layout from HTML that was created by Claude Chat. We're just gonna pull this page to show it to you until Claude finishes. Here. So this is a dark background. It's a bit blue, but I want it to have a big visual change done by Claude. That's the idea. Maybe I can do this. Do this. There it says, I found the culprit. Divi 5 emits per section rules with a deeper selector path, higher specificity than mine, so even my important loses on a specificity tie. Let me match their selector pattern. Cool, something I would have never figured out. But you know, you get such requests from clients. It's like, I don't like the gold in my buttons. There should be a warmer without any greens gold. Okay. How do I do that? I mean, it's a very specific ask. But it's not formalized as a brief for a developer. I didn't instruct Claude Cowork to do this external site sheet that loads, you know, after the inline custom CSS. We're getting somewhere. The outer section background is now blue, those edges showing throughout, but the inner row columns are still dark. We'll refresh this for you. Yeah, so you can see it's getting there. One more pass. Yeah. Boom. It did it. Yeah. I didn't give it any type of blue. I just said make the background of this page blue. That's what I did. Now it verifies itself. Everything is blue, man. You made it. The form is dark, that's fine. I wonder if you do spot in the form. And it's contrast problems. You can, you know, you can start nitpicking. Crap. Ooh, the hover. If this was a test on how Respira handles a Divi page background change, this whole secret is a good real-world finding, worth documented in your Respira workflow. Cool. I don't like it. Please undo. I don't like it. Working on it, just code. Rolling back the custom CSS now. Boom. There we have it. It's done. No harm done. That's what I wanted to show you. So Respira for WordPress available now as a Claude Cowork plugin. Thanks for watching.